Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 6R, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this device. You need to start by accessing Tab menu. Now, in order to mute your device completely and leave only vibrations, you need to click on Vibrate shortcut. If it's blue, that means that this option is on. If you wish to turn it off, unmute your device and disable vibrations, click on the same shortcut again. Now you can go into Settings and tap on Sound section over here. Then tap on the switcher next to Vibrate Vocals to switch on or off vibrations for all your incoming calls. You can also click on this one next to Touch Vibration to switch on or off haptic feedback on your smartphone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!